APPNA Merit Visiting Faculty Matching Program. Let's say you are a practicing physician with academic interest or affiliations. You love teaching and you would love to teach on your visits to Pakistan. You're planning to visit Pakistan. You're going to be there on certain days and dates. You'll be visiting multiple cities and you're going to be in different cities at different times. You would love to give lectures to residents or medical students. You love teaching and you're good at it. But how would you know who to contact and who to call? Where would you find out? When would you have time to arrange all of that? We have a solution for you. APPNA Organization have grown tremendously over the last 20 years, and we have thousands of US physicians of Pakistani origin that visit Pakistan all the time. Here is how it works. Let's say a US-based Pakistani physician submits dates, times, and cities where he's going to be on his next visit. A matching program automatically informs all the partner institutions in that city about the physician's expected visit. The institutional coordinator reaches out to the physician to arrange the lecture in a painless fashion. We hope to achieve hundreds of visiting faculty lectures, workshops, and training all across Pakistan. APPNA Merit was started in 2007 with an idea to transfer the knowledge and skills in medical practice to Pakistan. This is the right time to take all those resources and make them available to you in an automated fashion.